Louis, the squirrels are out there. The chubby squirrels. Oh my goodness. There's one of them. You watching the squirrels? Are you? Yeah? Are you watching the squirrels? Don't fall. She's like, get me off of here, Mom. Where are you going? Where are you going, silly girl? Ooh, there's birds out there. There's birds out there, Louis. Oh my goodness. Hello. Where are you going? Huh? Crawling all over the window? There's a squirrel. What's he doing? He ate all the corn. I think it's got to be refilled. What do you think, Louis? What do you think? Should we refill it? Look at this squirrel over here. He's up high too. Up eating the bird food. There he is. Grandma's squirrels are busy. Yes, they are. Oh my goodness. Right? Aren't they busy? She's just like, yeah, Mom, come on. I want to go back on your shoulder. You want to go back on my shoulder? Are you done? Oh my goodness. Yeah. My goodness. Louis. We got to go do more laundry. Okay?